1,000 horsepower to have that weight on.
Must be fast.
Cool, bro. Honestly, it's cool.
Now I have a hybrid turbo. This shit's clean, bro. Let's see what's up. Damn. All right, man. So tell me a little bit more about what's going on right here.
Yeah, bro. Yeah. Yeah, the intake. It pretty much has everything you put onto it. Turbocharger, yeah. What's the difference? Supercharger is like a belt driven. This one's more like
Exhaust. It's exhaust.
like driven, like it's such inherent.
I got a T-Rex.
You got a what? A T-Rex?
A wrap?
Oh yeah, those are oh yeah, fuck yeah, that shit's fast in it. Yeah, superchargers are nice. Everybody has their preference to it though.
Yeah, but the other one is smaller. Maybe much lighter.
Yeah, this one, yeah, the GTI.
Yeah, spoke with the charger, was challenging.
Sometimes, yeah. Little intake, exhaust.
Hellcat, so
Nah, I don't think so.
I ain't lying, bro. This guy, yeah.
What about the scatpacks? Get them?
Yeah,
we could probably get
you can probably get the scat packs, yeah.
Nah, not hellcats, for real?
Yeah, what makes up for it is that they're really light, so like the power to weight ratio
hellcats are heavy as fuck.
yeah, they're heavy cars.
Yeah, this should be 1,000 horsepower to have that weight on.
Yeah. Alright, have a good one, bro.
Alright, but yeah, so what you got going on right here?
So it's just practically everything you can bolt on, bro. Full bolt on. 85 built bottom end, stage 3 cams, and then still stock location turbo.
Damn.
It's over here, 3670R external wastegate. So you'll be able to hear that, bro.
Oh yeah, I think I see right there, right?
Yeah.
Let me get it on this side. Sheesh. Clean.
Appreciate it, bro. Thank you.
And what intake is that? Like
It's a custom intake, bro.
Oh yeah?
So yeah, they did a custom intake with the Perrin inlet, turbo inlet, and then well, to get a bigger turbo like that into the stock frame it's kind of hard, dude. So they had to like do a bunch of custom shit, cutting some stuff down to make the turbo fit. So that's mainly the main reason why people go rotated, dude, because it's hard to get like a bigger turbo in there.
So when it goes rotated, what side did they put it on? Up here?
Yeah, well, all this shit like moves because it's all custom piping. Practically all these guys pushing like good horsepower, they're all rotating, you know.
Alright, so last time we ran it, I had a Golf R turbo. Now I have a hybrid turbo.
Hybrid turbo, so what is that? Like a...
So it's basically the same size, the same housing as stock, but the wheel's a little bit bigger. And I added an intake since the last time.
You wanted a stock intake last time?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It's because like the stock air boxes on these, they still flow pretty well. It's on 85 again, it's tuned, it's not dyno tuned. And I have a full bolt on, so it's like intercooler, the downpipe, full exhaust. And then I swapped the intercooler for like a better one. Because the last time I had a front mount.
Oh, okay, you don't have a front mount no more?
Nah, now it's stock location, so it's like behind here somewhere.
Oh shit.
Yeah, so it's just a little bit bigger. A little bit bigger.
Damn.
So I know last time you had the, what was it, FP blue? Or FP black?
Yeah, I had the FP Blue.
FP blue?
Yeah, so this one's the GTX 3076R. So,
okay, so no more FP turbos?
Nah, I was gonna get an FP Black, but that's just a journal bearing. So, and then it's a big turbo for stock location. Yeah. That shit has too much lag, so I just went with the ball bearing.
So this one, it's not like a hybrid turbo anymore? Is it? So it's like a full frame, or it's bigger than stock housing, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Shit, man. Must be fast.
It's cool, bro. Honestly, it's cool.
Yeah.